Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Advanced Honeypot Implementation and Website. Now we are going to discuss about our project abstract. Honeypot is drop set to detect, capture or some manner counteracts attempt at unauthorized use of on a website. For website, many of these spam attacks come from the form of chunks, form submission or via attempts to find vulnerability. They commonly jam in by fill the contact form, registration form or product inquiry field that we have on our website, leaving us with potentially hundreds or thousands of spam entries per day. As consider this, my project is based on counteract system for spam, which is Honeypot. These are continuity of our project abstract. Honeypot is security mechanism where is field will be added the registration form that the user can't see due to the CSS or JavaScript. When bot scan the code and fill the hidden space, the Honeypot system detect the capture and bots. In my project, I will use the email and hidden field, and also will use advanced techniques to hide the field. In a manner, my project is to detect the capture and block the produced list of spam emails using advanced hidden techniques, which make the Honeypot as advanced Honeypot. This is our project flow diagram. First of all, any website, web application or web services, the registration form is one of the important part. Many spam attacks due to on registration time, so we can implement the Honeypot concept on user registration time. This flow is start first registration. In case the robot or spam registered registration on the process, the login first mail is dropped to the text box field. Its so on URL is not found. In case any user contain the user registration in proper value, the user login this project, the user login is checked on database. The user login this project, view the spam mail list, view the awareness content and search box, and finally log out. Next, our project execution. This is main page, home page of our project. First of all, any user register this project, we can implement the Honeypot concept on registration form. First, if user register this form, mention the don't touch alert. So normally user touch this don't, in case don't touch this checkbox. In case any robot or spammer only find the text box and enter the value. So this time robot or spammer enter the value of this text box. The next, click the detected button. The page not is error. You are the spammer, the request URL is does not found in error show in this project. In case the normal user enter the value, enter the all value, then click the submit button. The user registration is successfully. Then the user log in this project. Enter the username and password. First of all, the user view the spam list, spam mail list, then view the awareness content, The awareness content is based on the cyber security, how to implement on the cyber security on our systems, on our websites. Awareness content show in this box. Next, search the mail. Enter the valid mail address. The mail is contained with this project. These concepts are in the advanced honeypot implementation on website. In case spammer or a robot enter this project, the mail is dropped for the spam mail list. So finally log out this project. Thank you.